Welcome Blue Orange Techies to our colorful world of organization. Ever wonder how we can keep things tidy and consistent in a vast land like Salesforce? Today, we're diving into the magic of Global Picklist Value Sets. What is a Global Picklist Value Set in Salesforce? Imagine you have a box of colored balls that you can use in any game you play. In Salesforce, a Global Picklist Value Set is like this box of balls. It's a collection of options you can use across different places in Salesforce without needing to recreate them each time. Why do we use Global Picklist Value Set? Imagine having to write down your grocery list every single time you went shopping versus having a pre-made list you could stamp onto your shopping pad. Global Picklist Value Sets save time and ensure consistency across your Salesforce organization. For example, if you have a list of product categories that are the same across different sales processes, a Global Picklist Value Set keeps this list uniform and easy to manage. Let's say your store sells books, electronics, and clothing. You use this category list when taking orders and also when processing returns. With a Global Picklist Value Set, you create this list once, and then you can use it everywhere you need it, ensuring that books, electronics, and clothing are always your options, no matter the process. How to create a Global Picklist Value Set in Salesforce step by step. First, let's start our journey. Click on the Setup cog in the upper right corner. Now, find Picklist Value Sets under the Schema Builder section. Click New to weave our new magic set. Here, we'll define what our universal options will be. Give your set a name, like Product Categories, and start adding your values: books, electronics, clothing. Each addition is like choosing a new colored ball for our box. Once you've filled your box with colorful options, save your masterpiece. Now, you can sprinkle these options across Salesforce by attaching our global set to any picklist field in any object. It's like sharing your box of balls with friends to play in all their games. And there you have it, Blue Orange Techies. You've just created a Global Picklist Value Set, a universal source of truth for your Salesforce kingdom. With this, you ensure consistency, save time, and spread harmony across your land. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If this guide was helpful, why not give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials? This is Naveen signing off. Until next time, keep innovating and building with Salesforce.